Gavana wa Meru Mutuma Ntwithinki augite agatongeria maandamano kethira rwangi rwa kigina nthigurune ni ru treasury rugeta na mbere kugwatira mbeca cia Meru iguru ria irandu riria Meru igwitwa ni muchonko wa kuma France na milioni 800 kumania na nkuchanio cia mukawa jwa Leopard Rock. Mutuma augite ati kumenya niki ni untu treasury kuinga mbeca cia Meru na ijini Rais Ruto wajukirie murigo jwa kuria irandu riri arite zakire mambura za kuruguria mubango jwa kwa na banasare bia kuria chukuru Muthuru Muriuki katumenyithie nkuruki.
Mbere Mutuma mutune na arua kakiari kagita karia akurigura mubango byo gutira ritona tunito na seri tukwambe kunywa churu kagita karaba choka mashukuru
na arua as the children at the schools open ana beto baga trimana nagi ntukika passporti mathomon
Netul mola kirotera thirikari nene kukurukira rwangi rwa mbeca nondu bakuwa mandikira baruga akibera ati patitho bakiamukira mbeca ni kumania na irandu Leotiria Leopard Rock
nitupokete baruga ya kuwa treasury ikarungika disbursements ira tuyukacia kuma kiri exchequer non tubwera andu riu nikenda baita that beca from the source, that is from the treasury banenkera muchonko wa wengiro kuma Meru illegally according to the court. So Waziri Bandi na Antoba Kubarabo kwa device in the office ya legal, they are advising you nteko dhwanya ko isherie kuwa mbecha kana marando ya account iko o ya itiro at the source.
Ende kulingana Gavana Mutuma agwito ndububu na kadende mutongirio mugongo na badekani ati no ketho akiri irandu riri
ndetere kiri His Excellency the President wa nthi yetu ya Kenya ndamwira Meru tukaria mbecha iyo karata 700 million kuma kiri mbecha ira tuona si account ya Meru ndetandera President munene tutethie no ntu niwe mwene kigina kionthe gya Kenya, help us settle this matter. Na President wetu wa mantu ya Governor, I was not alone, tware na other leaders na bunge waheshimiwa ba county assembly, and His Excellency the President agreed to take that matter, to take up the matter and pay the debt for us.
Arankuruki akere mandoje gigutia kwa roje auga bakarande na kampuni ile cionthe igutonya na manto jaja nikenda gutigira ati antu ibakuriwa marijara atije guru mono
that company ya Mewas nitithitie maria roje maradufu na kwa tuika it's a bit challenging for our people to pay that subscriptions you babatire kuria every month. You bear with us. We are working with the stakeholders to ensure tariffs you kwambekana to manage igosoka to the manageable levels iranto beto batibwa like we've hiked the prices so high abruptly. We must manage that situation kenda tueja gradually.
Muthuru Muriuki, Boro TV, Mutinira Kangangi.